It's funny they mention sort of computers and school because my first interaction with computers was at school. I really enjoyed Math Circus. That was one of my
Nice.
favorite games,
Nice.
right? Wasn't Math Circus amazing?
Yeah.
And then probably the first like true game that I played was, well, this is oh man, I should say this is the earliest I remember, but I know from talking to my stepdad that I had exposure before. This is just what I remember. And then the first like real game that I played would have been Dino Park Tycoon. And then they wanted you to share a story about how you got into computers.
Yeah,
Um,
honestly, I think the main story that I like telling was I was already pretty into computers at this time, but I think the biggest step that I really made that solidified like no, I'm doing this now was mixed with school as well. One of my friends used to come over to my house before school, and then we would carpool to school, but there was about a half an hour gap there before we left after he showed up, and we used to play Diablo 1. But we'd play
nice.
together on the same computer, and we had two computers. So over time, I wanted to try to figure out how to get that old LAN connection working between the two of them. And I had no idea what was going on because I was in elementary school. But I figured it out, and we were eventually able to both play at the same time with two different characters on two different computers, and that was super cool. And I think that was my first like major step into this realm.
So to support the cause, go to check out go.tech/WAN today and support it with your very own .tech domain. Oh, I just got signed out of Google Docs. Thank you so much for that. Hold on. I'm going to go get that charger. But
Do you
first,
want me to go through the points for it,
no,
or
I want to show you guys this. So this is a streamer, gamer Zach. I have no idea if this guy's a good streamer or a bad streamer, but what I do know is that he is playing Dino Park Tycoon. So this is what it looked like. These are all the different kinds of fences you can get for your dinosaurs. You can see he's gone mega baller and gotten a chain link fence for one of his dinosaurs. This was pretty much the entire park. Like it's a little bit bigger than this, but there's your ledger. The thing about this game is that there was basically no way to have any kind of impact on the success or failure of your park. You just kind of did stuff and people would kind of come to the park or not come to the park. And it just didn't really, matter what you did was one thing that I remember about it. It's possible that I was just a kid and bad at video games, but it's also possible that it just was not a very well done game.